Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 15 August 2018, 16 of hour, 37 of minute and 23 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what does the spring do on a garage door? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what does the spring do on a garage door. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about what does the spring do on a garage door. In essence, this means a garage door spring is supposed to make your door light enough for you to be able to lift it on your own, or for the power of the garage door opener to lift it up easily. There are two main kinds of residential garage door springs: torsion springs and extension springs. Last update Mar 1, 2012. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.